And this is our celebration for his recognition yesterday. He just wanted us to, eat in Sanggupsal, but we just picked a good place, at least comfortable and very cool po siya. So, affordable. For those who are talagang deserve naman, you could just come here, guys. Look at the food. Very set up. At the same time, even nag-iihaw ka, it's still, malamig po talaga siya. So, this is just Sangyup sa bahay. Then, beside the Walter Mart Antipolo po. So, very good. This is my first time here, but it's worth it po because, upon taste all the food there, it's so good and so healthy. No oil, less oil. It's just grilling po talaga siya. So, meat, no rice. It's up to you if you're gonna order rice. So, but this time, it's just all about meat po. So, I have rice with just to have a little. So, look at this, guys. If you have your family celebration or anything, you could just drop by, guys, near the Walter Mart Antipolo, Sangyup sa bahay. So, guys, try nyo na po and enjoy. Very good po talaga ang food and affordable. Thank you, guys.